Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of professional hairdressing with the CIICII hair cutting scissors set. If you're on the hunt for the best Shears Barber kit on the market, you're in for a treat. Now, what sets this kit apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk materials. CIICII doesn't mess around when it comes to quality. These scissors are crafted from titanium black-plated 440C stainless steel, ensuring lasting durability and a comfortable grip. Not only are they built to last, but they're also hand-polished for a precise, sharp cut every time. Say goodbye to uneven lines and hello to salon-quality results at home. But wait, there's more. CIICII goes the extra mile with their ergonomic design. The offset handle reduces fatigue, allowing you to trim, shape, and groom with ease. Plus, the 27 teeth thinning scissors ensure a smooth, precise cut without any hair getting caught. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or a DIY enthusiast, these scissors are designed to make your life easier. Now, let's talk versatility. With a length of 6.7 inches, these scissors are perfect for everything from trimming your own hair to grooming your pets. Plus, they come with a hair cutter comb and clips, so you'll have everything you need for a professional-looking cut. Last but not least, let's talk value. Not only does this kit come with top-of-the-line scissors, but it also includes a gift leather bag and cleaning cloth. Plus, with a 90-day unconditional return policy and a 365-day warranty, you can purchase with confidence. That's right, CIICII stands behind their product, ensuring your satisfaction every step of the way. So there you have it, folks, the CIICII hair cutting scissors set truly is the best Shears Barber kit on the market. Whether you're a professional stylist or a DIY enthusiast, you can't go wrong with CIICII. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy styling!